So this is a bit of video from Sunday mornings, just after 6:15. The mail's back in again, but what I've noticed from the video, I've tracked back through to 4:30 in the morning, and Mrs. Owl laid her fourth egg, a bit ahead of schedule. Wasn't expecting it until Sunday evening, Monday morning, but she laid it around 4:30 Sunday morning on Easter Day. But this rather suggests that they're going for more than four. So the male has come in, finished his business, tripped over his vole, and decides that while he's there he might as well have a little post-coital vole. I think Mrs. Owl is looking a little bit tired out here. She seems to be breathing heavily. Takes the male actually several attempts to consume this vole. I think he's removed part of it already. I think he really needs a drink with that. It seems to be getting stuck. He has to have a couple of goes. Yeah, need to realign it. So eventually manages to swallow it. Still hasn't quite got it down. Then in a few seconds, 30 seconds or so, we'll just briefly see the female get up and reposition herself and reveal the fourth egg. So we're past the 3 eggs that we had last year, and well on our way to the record of the year before. We had 6 eggs the year before. So here we go. Just a quick glimpse there. 4 eggs. So obviously they're quite confident of the weather and the food supply, so they seem to be continuing. Interesting to see now if on Tuesday, Wednesday, we get a 5th.